Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions from your suggestion bar. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So to change your suggestions, all you have to do is go to your profile on the bottom right, and then from here click on the top right where you see the three dashes. From here you're going to click on settings and privacy, and then you're going to scroll down until you see Activity Center and click on it. Once it opens Activity Center, it will show you this list. Go to the watch history. From the watch history, click on select all on the top right, and then click on select all watch history, and then make sure to click on delete and delete all history. Once you do that, you're going to go back, and then from here, you're going to go back to notifications in the settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see personalized post suggestions, and then you're going to disable both of them. And that's pretty much it. Once you do that, exit the application, make sure to exit it fully, reopen it, and it will change. Thank you guys for watching it, and see you next time. Bye bye.